Embark on a culinary journey to Brazil with this extended Bauru recipe, a beloved Brazilian sandwich that combines simplicity with rich flavors. Bauru is a popular choice in Brazilian snack bars, known for its satisfying taste and easy preparation. Begin by selecting the right bread, which is crucial for a good Bauru. A crusty French roll or a similar type of bread works best. Slice the roll in half and lightly toast it to add crunch and texture. The toasting also prevents the bread from becoming soggy once the fillings are added. For the filling, start with high-quality roast beef. Thinly slice the beef for easy layering and quick cooking. In a skillet, cook the beef slices until they're just done, ensuring they remain tender and juicy. Layer the cooked beef on the bottom half of the toasted roll. Top it with slices of mozzarella cheese, which will melt beautifully and add a creamy texture to the sandwich. Mozzarella is preferred for its mild flavor and excellent melting qualities. To add freshness and a tangy touch to the Bauru, include tomato slices and pickled cucumber. These ingredients provide a contrast in flavors and textures, enhancing the overall taste of the sandwich. Season the sandwich with a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of oregano. These seasonings complement the flavors of the beef and cheese, adding depth to the sandwich. Place the sandwich under a broiler or in a sandwich press. Cook until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the bread is crisp to perfection. This step unites all the flavors and textures, creating a warm and inviting sandwich. Serve your Bauru hot, allowing the melted cheese and savory beef to shine. This sandwich is perfect for a quick meal, a snack, or even as a casual dinner option. The combination of savory beef, melted cheese, crisp vegetables, and toasted bread makes the Brazilian Bauru a delightful and satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian Bauru, a simple yet hearty sandwich that's a testament to the simplicity and richness of Brazil's culinary culture. Whether you're enjoying it alone or sharing it with friends, the Bauru is sure to be a hit.